Oh wow, look at this. Hey everyone, so this is Saturday. I am about to leave for Kyoto. It's currently 11 in the morning, and look at this. I have three suitcases and one backpack. So it won't be possible for me to hold the camera while carrying these three bags to the station. Metro station, by the way, I am going with Shinkansen Express, a bullet train from here to Kyoto. It will take around 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna put this in bag, and I'll see you once I'm on board the train. I have reached the station. It's currently 11:25. I am like around 15 minutes early. My train will come around like 11:40 if I'm not wrong. That's my train, Nozomi 353. Look at this, how wonderful it looks. And wow, I just love looking at the screen, man. It looks so amazing. By the way, these are my three bags. Actually four. I had to like put some stuff and moment like I forgot to put it in my bag. So I just put it in my backpack. I'm waiting for my train. It should arrive within like 10-15 minutes now. Okay, so I have boarded the train and I have put all my luggage in the upper compartment. But and this is my window seat. I am hoping to see Mount Fuji today. Keeping my fingers crossed, and let's hope that I get to see. I have reached Kyoto station. Now I have to go take the exit of Shinkansen Hachijo East Gate. So I have to follow Shinkansen Hachijo East Gate. Okay, so I have arrived at the bus stop. The bus just departed while I was reaching here, so I could not board that, but another one is scheduled in 15 minutes and my hotel is just I guess 8-minute ride from here. Let's hope I reach by 2:45. It's currently 2:30 almost and I'm hungry, so I might go out for some food. So far Kyoto is really nice. It has more rich culture of Japan and I am overall liking it. Like just the first impressions are good. Also, it is not as small town as I thought of, but yeah, it is not as big as Tokyo, obviously. Also, like I could have taken the train, but it was like just like 5 minutes away with train and like one stop. But the way for the station from inside the terminal did not have elevator or like escalator to go to that underground passage. So I did not go because if there is no elevator for going downstairs, then there will be no elevator for coming up while I leave that station. So I did not opt for the train but went for bus. So I'm just waiting for my bus, and here's a glimpse of Kyoto. It's overall very peaceful. I mean, Tokyo was itself peaceful, but it does not have that, people here does not have that rush that was in Tokyo. So far so good. Hey everyone, so I have checked in this hotel and this is the view from my room. Like my room is just next wall from here. It's currently 3:45 in the afternoon and so far the hotel is great, and I'm going to for the lunch. That is the Indian restaurant around 700 meters, like it's 12 minutes walk. So I'm going there. By the weather in Kyoto is quite pleasant. It's cloudy, due to which it's the sun is not feeling too harsh. So far, vibe of Kyoto is great. Go to some local place over here after lunch. Good morning everyone. So this is the next day. It's Sunday morning, currently 11 a.m. I got a bit of late today. I woke up actually at 9 almost, and then I took bath, prayed namaz, and then went for breakfast, and after breakfast I read Quran. So yeah, it's a late start of the morning, but yeah, I mean, I'm in no hurry. Currently I am planning to go to that shrine. I forgot its name. Let me look. Fushimi Inari Taisha. It's 20 minutes from here by metro. Yeah, overall it's pretty good actually. One thing about this hotel at which I'm staying is like it's Holiday Inn by IHG, and the hotel is really nice as well. The room is really cozy. So one thing I did not like, or like I would not say like it, but I would have appreciated a bit better, is the breakfast. There were not much options. I mean, the current breakfast was very Japanese style. There were Western options, but I would have expected more. Like the one that I was staying in Tokyo, Shinagawa Prince Hotel. It had a like large variety of both Western as well as Japanese varieties and like food. So I would have expected some more Western options. But anyway, like it was really good. That is the thing. Like I did not like it, but yeah, more would have been better. I am about to reach my station. Oh, it's very New York style. Like you need to go underground from footpath. It reminds me of New York. Let's go in. Also, it's cloudy day. I don't know the exact temperature, but it's not feeling that warm as it was in Tokyo. Tokyo was very harsh. This is how it looks, by the way. Like walking in a tunnel. And I have to enter platform 1. Okay, I can see the board for platform 1. Okay, so this is the first time I am taking the subway in Kyoto, and stations in Kyoto are a bit old. As you can see, the vibe of it is not very modern, I would say, as it was in Tokyo. Okay, so I have got off at Kyoto station. Now I have to go. Let me find Central to exit. This feels nice. I mean, Kyoto is a good place to live as compared to Tokyo. I have to catch the Nara line. I forgot the name. Yeah, Nara line. To go to platform number 9. Excuse me, Nara line? That guy is coming to show me Nara line. Okay, I can see. Okay, thank you. It's hidden behind there. Wow, look at this. Am I gonna be traveling Thomas and his friends line? I don't know. So I have ordered this. Now let's find out if it is the right train or not. I have reached the Inari station. From here it's a 1 minute walk. Okay, like Fushima Inari Taisho Shrine. Shunishima, sorry. Oh, it's right there. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, this looks so nice. I saw a couple of people in the traditional Japanese wear. I'm thinking of getting one for me. It would be so nice to have wore that traditional Japanese dress. Oh boy, let's see if I can find it. This is the entrance. The sun is so harsh here at this point that my camera is getting hot just from the rays of the sun, like just from the exposure from the sun, not even recording. Now I do want to get Japanese dress, traditional dresses. Wow. I should first cover that side and then come back to the shops later. Because like they have so many things in the shops, I don't want to just like spend too much time at one point. This is something, but I don't understand what it is. It's the prayer maybe. Excuse me. Do you know where can I find traditional Japanese clothes?
Sorry, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. There are some lots of shrines, as you can see. Look at this, how disciplined people are. Everyone is maintaining the directions. I am going to the top of the mountain. It's 20 minutes from here. So I am going this way. It's showing 877 meters, probably 20 minutes to go one way. I'll need to be mindful that it is not upwards 20 minutes, it's downwards. So if I am going downwards, then I will have to come the same way upwards 20 minutes. I'll need to be mindful of that. Yeah, I think I have come all the way this up, so I think I should see at least the tip of the mountain. The good part of traveling, right? You can climb this kind of stairs literally. I was imagine coming here with a laptop backpack. Oh my god. Good luck to that. This was some kind of the prayer. Look at this, how steep it was. I don't think camera is doing it justice. But it was really steep.
Do not approach them if they come across.
British accent. This is where being physically fit helps you. I remember I was in Goa in 2022 and in August actually. I went there and we were going on this Agoda Fort. I don't exactly remember the name of it. The place where Dil Chahta Hai movie has been shot in Goa. So I was going there and it was like even less uphill than this. Like it was even less steep than this. But I could not even walk from here to like from here to like until that lady. I was so running out of breath. I knew that I am physically so weak. I hope it's worth all these efforts. I hope this is it. So I have reached the top and there is one more way that is going downwards, but I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna go. And this is the temple at the top. I don't think there is much to see here. I think this is like last mountain or like last temple. I'm just gonna go back all the way from where I came. I can go back from here, but there are no signs like where it goes, so I'm just gonna take the same route that I came from. Let's go down. It is gonna be fun watching all these while sitting on my sofa at my home and watching it in a TV. I need to find shop number 10 where they are selling stamps. Look at these traditional Japanese homes. One thing that I did not find, Japan does not have trash cans or dustbins. And even though, like firstly, like Japan does not have trash cans, so you have to carry water bottles with you at all the places. And secondly, even though it does not have a trash can, you will never find a single garbage thrown anywhere, literally anywhere. So I really appreciate and like this quality of Japan. Going downhill, it is pretty easy. It's not much of an effort. This is the number 10. I think so. Yeah. Let's see what stickers do they have. I got myself this. I don't know what it's called, but it's some Goshiwa, if I'm not wrong, stamp. That is kind of a token that is given to any visitor who comes to that particular temple. It's a kind of a token that is unique to each temple. So I just got one of these for myself. So instead of going to the restaurant straight forward, it's like 10 minutes from here. I have came to this street market. I'm gonna keep this down. Okay, so this is a Nepali restaurant and it's halal. Let's see what do they have here. Thank you. One thing I like about these people is that they offer menu or like as well as this drinking water. As soon as someone comes into the restaurant, they know it's hot outside, so they just provide the water the very first before even the order. I'm gonna Check this. This is the first time in my life I'm doing this. Okay. Okay. गधेड़ा पकड़ पकड़ पकड़े गया 150 रुपया हाउ I am going towards this electronic store which is apparently a camera store of Tokyo. Going there. The train is in 10 minutes, so I think I have enough time. But look at this, how cute the whole station looks. This train is really nice. And it has seats, like really good seats, and it is good. It's good. So those were nice people. They were from China, and we started the conversation like because we had the camera, and yeah, we took it from there. And he was saying that India is really famous for software engineer. I was like, okay. Well, it felt nice talking to him. It was a really sweet guy. This is, by the way, Tofukuji Temple. So I'm going to Kyoto, and from there I have to walk like 500 meters, 7 minutes, and I will be there. Alright, so my station is arrived. This is like the central station of Kyoto. This is the main station of Kyoto where you can have Shinkansen as well as JR line, Nara line, all the different lines you can get from here. I like the names of here, like Takanawa, Shinagawa, Nara. Lots of Ara. I don't know where this is from. ચાનો ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો લા 4 વાગી નહીં 5 વાગી ગયા ચાનો ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો. Now I have to figure out where I have to go. I have to go from inside only. That's cool. Yesterday I could not vlog all of this because I had like 3 bags and it was difficult to carry a camera along with the 3 bags. So it's good that I am going through this. Yeah, by the way, I have figured out one thing that is for sure. Vlogging means just talking to yourself non-stop. Just do any kind of yapping, but just talk. Don't be silent. Just talk. This is the whole store. Okay. It seems I won't be disappointed. They have storage capacities. I got myself a good watch as well as SSD. I will be going outside to now to the hotel. Should I walk? It's 1 kilometer. Yeah, let's just walk. Good morning, everyone. This is the next day. It's currently almost 1 in the afternoon, and I am just chilling in my hotel today. Today is the rest day. I am not planning to go out anywhere. I'm just like watching Netflix, just chilling over here. And yeah, look at the stuff, look at the condition of my room. But anyway, I'm gonna leave tomorrow from here, inshallah. So yeah, I have opened the window like to get some fresh air in. Let me show you the view of outside. It's not much clearly visible, but I think yeah, it's the road. Okay, yeah, it's visible from here. So it's a road from there, like you can see the road. Yeah, like there's nothing much. Also, I have just taken a decision that I'm gonna be uploading at least 1 video on YouTube each week and see what happens. I'm gonna be active on Twitter, Instagram, posting content. So yeah, all the best to me.